All right, here we go.
Go. What are you doing?
My square.
No, but what are you doing?
I don't know. I'm going to do a little bit of this sky. Just the little.
I gotta say, I love that color.
Mm-hmm.
That color is kind of all
Yes.
kinds of awesome.
Love it. Whoa. Stop. Just a little bit of the interference.
See, you don't miss doing the old way?
Sometimes. It's okay, man. Totally okay.
To the powers that be. The problem is I don't have enough female swordfish in the tank.
So it's lonely picking on somebody else?
It's picking on our snail because it's lonely.
Something along those lines.
Good job, honey. Our swordfish are eating our snails. It's so mean.
Do you have to get a female to keep it company?
Huh?
Do you have to get a female to keep it
I have to
company?
get more females. It has
More.
one. Apparently one ain't enough.
Oh, it's like
It
llamas.
must be like
or alpacas.
3 to 1.
Oh, that's alpacas too. You can't just buy one. You have to buy like 3 or 4, or they'll die of loneliness.
Loneliness.
They will literally die of loneliness.
I'm
unless
so
there's just a couple
lonely.
others around.
I'm so lonely.
I didn't know that until I went to visit some alpacas last year.
Did they spit on you?
No, they did not. They were really friendly.
Oh, jerks. One spit on me once. Alright, here we go.
That's because you were being mean.
I do not be mean to animals.
Yeah, that's what you say.
Ha.
He says, Mommy was mean to me. She didn't take me with her. When you leave without him, he comes and jumps in the bed. And comes right
That's
up to
with
my
the
face,
black.
stands over top of me like, are you going to fix
Now
this?
I'm gonna stretch. Now we stretch. Wait a minute, I should. I'm sorry, sorry, say. I got to focus. Hold on. Stand by, darling. I'm coming. My boyfriend's mad. I was not listening.
That'd be your best one.
Because he did it my way. It's like I'm just playing it. Should I leave it like that? Like fill in the white up top or stretch it?
Nope, I'd leave it.
Leave it?
I would leave
All
it.
right.
I would put white and have some
Let me,
negative
well, let me
space.
bring it back to the center so I can cover the corner. At least.
You're gonna lose all your
All
negative
right.
space.
All right. Karen says negative space. We'll do negative freaking space.
You need to put it back down in the corner too.
All right. Let me cover this first. I got a bubble. It's not good. Oh, when you pour, I notice it spills over the side. Give it a twist and it won't. Okay?
I know that.
That's another tip. Another Jen tip.
Another Jen.
So now, from now on, every time it happens, you'd be like, well, Jen said. Like that?
More. I just don't like that loop. Get rid of that white. Down more. Negative space, negative space, negative space, negative space. Almost there, almost there. Stop.
Okay. Should I recenter it? No.
Nope.
Okay.
It's beautiful.
That's
It's
it.
beautiful. Love that one.
Okay.
Love that one.
It's going to be... Get away. You are
Gorgeous.
You are not welcome.
I'm going to want one of that straight up and down, too. Take one of that straight up and down.
Look at it in the light. Oh my gosh.
Where's your big one?
I threw it away.
Did you?
No, it's right there. It's on the shelf.
Oh, it's up top.
So this is Craftnique's blue, gold, and blue, green, a little gold, and black. Because I really want it on the bottom. Whoa, look at that bubble. Did you guys see that? Oh my gosh. This is quinacridone nickel azo gold. just high flow. I don't know if I should have done that, but we'll see. Yeah, purple.
And then the other.
Let's put a little down first. And then this. All right, where's the black? Okay.
Honey.
I don't want that going. Look at that.
Cool.
Whoa, dudes. See it coming back together? Oh, we can just stretch. I did this like...
Or practice spinning.
Oh, man, Karen. No, I want to stretch.
Okay.
No, let's go it this way. But I don't want to lose the green. You're not allowed to go.
Okay.
I think I'm going to go that way. What do you think?
Sure.
I like to change my directions and challenge myself to see if it's actually going to work. No, right by my, like, right there.
Oh.
See that? But it's getting ready to go over, I think. Look at that, you guys.
Cool.
Look at that, you guys. Isn't that cool? That's going to be interference, too.
Hi guys, it's Karen from Waterfall Acrylics. How are you? My turn. I'm going to test my colors just on this little 4.25 square ceramic tile that will go into a trivet box. This purple. Actually, we're going to do this pink color. Some interference. Sparkly. Some nickel azo gold. And I'm going to use titanium white with Australian Floetrol as my activator. Let that all come back a second. All right, let's give this a tilt.
I love that white and yellow bleeding together in the upper left corner.
Go to this corner first. And I'm going to take a diagonal. Or actually, let's go over here.
Yeah, that's really pretty. Rocking it, sister.
And come back up. Up. You paint right there. Ta-da!
Wow, I would stop right there.
Yep. So there's mine. It's pretty. Yep, done.
All right, guys, here is my tile. All right, here we go. Probably should have did a blow dryer.
Yes, it's pretty big. Yeah, there you go.
All right, here we go. Should I have spun it harder?
Well, that was a good one to start, just to see what it's gonna look like.
Looks like a glove.
Or a middle finger. All right, and stop it. Oh my God, awesome! Give it a spin the other way.
Wait a minute, right here, right?
Oh,
Oh,
that's all right. That was my bad. Okay. Wow.
I want to stop.
I'm gonna stop right there.
Yeah.
It's gorgeous. Yeah. Ta-da! Oh my god, that's awesome. Awesome sauce. I'm gonna do my napkin.
That's cool.
Yeah. Love it.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.